Good evening, ladies and gents. Caleb McAllister here. Thank you all for joining. I hope you're having a great night so far. I wanted to show you guys this folding pocket knife from Dispatch that I was sent to try. It is an absolutely beautiful little knife. Really nice texturized, rubberized grip, pocket clip, easy fold out, really comfortable grip in the hand. Very, very sharp. You guys couldn't even see that, could you? Wasn't even on camera. Goes through 3, 4 layers of cardboard like a knife through butter. Well, or a knife through 3, 4 layers of cardboard, as the case may be. Very easy to disengage the blade and return to the folded, safe position. Beautiful little knife. Check it out, guys, at the link below. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you next time. Have a great night, everybody.